Hi, I'm Mark, CEO and founder of Staff Circle. I'd like to talk to you today about competency frameworks and why they're crucial for organisations to enable them to navigate successfully through the skills-based economy. First, you might be thinking, what is a competency framework and why do I need one in my organisation? Well, competency framework is a collection of roles, skills, capabilities and competency levels, along with statements, and the roles then connected to career pathways, other roles in the succession. And together, it creates a framework for your organisation. An example here is a skill for this role at a level 3, and this competency level 3 generates a statement that says exactly what that person can do and execute at level 3 level for that skill. Now, why would you want a competency framework? Well, there are lots of reasons. First of all, a competency framework creates a scalable, consistent framework for your organisation. Once you've got one though, you can then generate skills assessments ongoing with all members of your workforce to keep up to date on where people are. You can generate training objectives where there are skills gaps in order to fulfill those skills gaps. Generate skills gap analysis so you can see each department, and that will allow you to structure your learning and development strategies more effectively. And also see single person dependencies. So where you've got people with a particular high level of skill, but they're the only person in that department or team. And if they're sick or they leave, it causes a problem for your organisation. This will give you a chance to visualize it and then take steps to bring people up behind them. Career development plans will allow you to roll out career development to every member of staff, whether they want to stay in their role and go deeper or whether they want to progress through a career pathway. Career development plans are really crucial because lack of development or perceived development is one of the main reasons people leave organisations. And also skills-based hiring. Using the same framework and the detail behind the role, breaking it out into skills and levels and capabilities, you're able to do far more sophisticated and accurate hiring. And this is really important to reduce mishires and later churn. And overall allows you to deliver succession planning. So you're able to see members of staff where they are in their career pathways, and if you've got new roles that you need to fill, whether or not you can fill them from existing workforce. Now, the reason people don't have a competency framework is because typically they're very, very complex to create. Lots of capabilities, lots of skills, lots of description and competency levels, along with all of the pathways across all of the roles in your organisation. Even for a 200 role company, it can take up to 11 months to generate that manually. Now, that's been a problem and a reason why many organisations haven't had a competency framework up until now. Recent upgrades in AI has enabled us to be able to generate the same capability and the same competency framework for a 200 role organisation in under an hour. And even with topping and tailing and changing the roles, under a day to create the entire framework. And this is a game changer because it then allows you to do all of these things which will help you structure, become more efficient and scale your organisation. Now, I'm going to go deeper into this in our upcoming webinar, The Secret Sauce of Succession Planning. You'll probably see the QR link appear shortly after this video. So I hope you join me. Thanks for listening.